Hi, Lucy. Hi. Come here. Say hi. Hey, Lulu. Where's your sister Belle? Belle's hiding under the bed. It's almost noon. I got a call. Hi. Hi, Lucy. Are you okay? It's okay, baby. I know. Come here. Come on a dance lap. What are you doing? Yeah, you being a nice kitty? You be a good kitty. Oh, I know you're headbutting now, aren't you? I know. Now, Dance just wants to show you to other people what you look like. Lulu. You're being a good kitty today. Where's Belle? Belle's hiding.